Hello. Before we get too involved into formatting a document, I want to talk about two global modifications that you should make in your document before you start formatting. Well, I guess actually we have started formatting by doing this. Let's go over here on the Home menu. We're going to go over to the far right to Replace. And here, find what? The first thing that we're going to look for is tabs. We don't want any tabs in this document at all. Okay, so we're going to go down to More here so that we have more things. Here we can insert a special character. Notice special down here at the bottom of the dialog window. We pop that up and here's tab character. Now notice we could have gotten there just by typing a $T. That's shorthand for the tab character. What are we going to replace it with? Nothing. And we're going to replace all of them. Now this document has already almost been properly formatted, so there were 0 tabs replaced. However, we should say OK and close this window. Oh, actually, before we close it, let's do one other important replacement. My wife, Melanie Jackson, who's a published author, tends to use M-dashes a great deal in her writing. And in Word, you type dash dash and it replaces it with a long M dash. Sometimes it doesn't. So what we want to replace is dash dash, any of those that occur in the document, with, let's get a special character again. Notice here, right in the middle, we have M dash. And that we could have said +, in here with the replace with text. Let's go ahead and replace all of those. There are 0 of those. We've caught that as well. So those are two major replacements that you should make before formatting the document.